is the video we will show you how to apply the OCA film for iPad Air 2, the big size, and use this machine. This is the manual laminate machine which will help you to apply OCA film on the glass. Okay. This is the big size, which can fit for 14-inch. Okay. The step will be the same as you apply the OCA film on the phone LCDs, but just because the iPad, the glass and OCA film that is more larger. And then we will use a customized alignment mode to put the new glass together with the LCD. Put it on the LCD together. Okay. And then take it to the large size of the vacuum laminator. This is the large size which can fit for the LCD under 14-inch. So it is okay for the iPad Air 2. And take it out. Put it here. And for 15 seconds it will up automatically. Okay, and then put it in the bubble removal machine. This is the mini size of the bubble removal, but the dimension it is large enough for you to put the iPad out to the LCD inside. And it will cost like 15 minutes, so we'll be back later. Okay, now the 15 minutes it is over. Let's open the door and let's see what happens here. Okay. 擦这边。It looks perfect. There is no bubbles.
Okay. 有灰尘。
Okay, it's done.